Welcome children. Today we'll take chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.2 question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Now, as you can see, the athlete is running on a circular track. But in our question, there are two athletes. One is Sonia and another is Ravi. Both are starting from one point, which we usually call a starting point. Now, Sonia is taking 18 minutes to complete one round, whereas Ravi is taking 12 minutes for the same. Now, here the question arises whether it is the sum of LCM or HCF. The best trick is to understand it is that they are going to meet again at the starting point. For them to meet at the starting point, they have to at least cover one round. Now, once they cover first round, then we have to calculate whether when will they meet at the starting point. See here, it is in the last line you can see after how many minutes will they meet at the starting point. So naturally, first round should be completed. In order to complete one round, it is going to take more than 18 minutes as well as 12 minutes. So when you get an answer, when you get a solution which has a number more than the numbers given in the question, then it is the question of LCM. Like here, 18 minutes and 12 minutes are given and your solution will have the minutes which will be greater than 18 and 12. It cannot be less than 18 and 12. Why? Because if it is less than 18 and 12, it means they have not even completed one round. So it is quite easy to understand that our sum is the sum of LCM, which requires a number greater than 18 and 12. So time taken by Sonia to drive one round is 18 minutes. Similarly, time taken by Ravi to drive one round is 12 minutes. Now they will meet again. When will they meet again? They'll meet when we'll take the LCM of 12 and 18. That time will get a time and that time will be the time for which they will meet again. Here I have taken the LCM. This is the division method. Here you can see 12 and 18 is getting divided by 2 because it is an even, they are even numbers. 2 6 are 12 and 9 are. Again you can take 2 because 6 is an even number but 9 cannot be divisible by 2. Hence we have to repeat the number which cannot be divisible. As you can see, the number 9 is repeated. Here you can see number 9 is repeated again. Why? Because it is not divisible by 2. So we are repeating it again. Whereas number 6 is divisible by 2. Hence we are getting 2 3s are 6. This part you must understand in division method, that sometimes the numbers will get repeated if they are not divisible by a certain number. Now when we come to 3 and 9, both are getting divided by 3. So we are getting 3 1s are 3 and then 3. This 3 is already there. Now you have to take your LCM. How should we take the LCM? Let me show you. It should start from here and it should go this way. All these are prime numbers. As you can see, right, starting from here, all are prime numbers. So we have to take all these prime numbers. They are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and that is 36. Hence the time taken for both to meet again is 36 minutes. Thank you.